Dear all, this is warm greeting from Sangja Sirubari, and right now where I'm standing, the place is known as the one of the most popular homestay and one of the first rural community-based tourism, Sangja Sirubari, not only for Nepal but among the South Asia. It is the first rural community-based local tourism. And it was first pioneered by Captain Rudraman Gurung, and he was also member of parliament. Especially this community is belong to Gurung culture, and who comes to visit here, they can really enjoy with Gurung community. Here is the homestay owner. They belongs to ex-Gorkhas. We can see a beautiful stone pathway, and it's really build the community in economically, culturally, socially. When we come here, we feel that very, a kind of harmonious relationship with nature and community. होमस्टे बन्नलाई 7 घर मिल्नुपर्छ। 7 घर मिलिसकेपछि उनीहरूले एउटा आफ्नो विधान बनाएर उनीहरूले पेश गरेपछि चाहिँ त्यो ठाउँमा होमस्टे सञ्चालन गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने चाहिँ यो सिरुबारीको होमस्टेले चाहिँ एउटा विधान बनाएको रहेछ। अनि होमस्टे पनि त्यो घरमा चाहिँ मापदण्ड तोकिएअनुसारको बेड, टोयलेट, धारा पनि हुनुपर्ने र त्यो कम्युनिटीमा 7 घर चाहिँ सहमति हुनुपर्ने भएमा चाहिँ होमस्टे दर्ता गरेर सञ्चालन गर्न पाइने भनेर चाहिँ यहाँको विधानले चाहिँ बनाएको रहेछ। रोजगारको कुराहरू गर्दाखेरि एउटा मुख्य आय स्रोत नै यो बनेको छ। अनि मलाई धेरै राम्रो लाग्यो। हामी जस्तो पहाडी भेगमा बसेका र पहाडी भेगमा भएको बस्तीहरूले चाहिँ होमस्टेलाई सञ्चालन गर्न सक्यो भने एउटा आर्थिक पाटो चाहिँ सुधार हुन्छ, साथै सामाजिक सांस्कृतिक कुराहरू त हुन्छ हैन। So they are really preserving their culture, their identity through the community-based local tourism.